Today we're going to go over how to syringe feed a bunny. This is Winston, so he has GI stasis, which means his digestive tract isn't working. And for rabbits, it's really important that their digestive tract remains active. So as part of his supportive care to get him better is we are going to hand feed him with a syringe. And we're going to feed him a product called Oxbow Critical Care. It comes in several flavors. The apple banana, I really like it, smells nice, but there are a couple of others. And so I'm going to show you how to feed using the Oxbow Critical Care. I like to use a curved tip syringe. I cut the curve off to a point where it's straight. I just think it's a really nice size to fit into a rabbit's mouth. And then I can take it apart to load the supportive care slurry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump a little bit of this into a bowl. And when it rehydrates, it's going to make a lot more than you expect. And then I'm going to add a little bit of water and mix it up. I want it to be a little bit like a pancake batter as far as consistency goes. If you make it up and get distracted and come back to it, just know that it will be thicker and you'll have to add more water. But this looks like it's coming out to a good consistency. And then what you can do is you can load the back of the syringe. This I'm going to try to pour a little bit in. You can use a spoon as well or a tongue depressor. So even as it's sitting here, it's getting a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop it out here. And in this case, just for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to fill it partly full. And then I can add the plunger there and get rid of the air and bring it up like this. All right. It is a messy process, so you will need some towels for wiping. I have my critical care slurry prepared. And then what I think is easiest to do is to do a bunny burrito. And so I'm going to scooch Winston forward a little bit. You put the towel over his back end so he can't back up. And then we're going to do the towel on this side. And then you can wrap the towel around like a collar as well. So he's kind of snugged up in there. And then I'm right-handed, so I'm going to come over on his right side. Bunnies have front teeth, and then they have a little space where there's no teeth, and then their back teeth are further back, their molars are further back. So I'm going to go right behind his front teeth, and this is called the diastema, where there's no teeth. And I'm going to give him a little squirt. Some of it's going to go in, some of it's not. Oh, I know. And so if you see Gina's kind of snugging him up so that he can't back up. There we go. And just do a little at a time. Okay, it can take a while. I mean, it can take 10 or 15 minutes if you're doing a whole syringe. Just be patient and know that some will go in and some will go out. And when you're done, oh, I know. Wipe the excess around so they don't get any of the slurry caked in their fur. And that's it.